can get some bras.
What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos. What's up YouTube? This is Vijay back with another video, and today's video is about my helmet, what all mods I've done so far. So yes, if you have not seen my first video of the motorcycle helmet modification, alien helmet, you first check that out. The link should be somewhere on the top or the bottom, or you can check it in the description. Okay. So that video you first check out, and I'll tell you what all is already there in the old video and what's new. So this is my Xiaomi E camera, okay, which I have made the reason why I have a good audio quality is because of this guy. I made a 3.5mm jack installed in this camera right here, you can see, and I made a hole in the case. So this is how it connects, and this gives me the better quality of audio where there is no external noise. This was the light, the night light, which I loved. This is also there. This is also there in the previous video, so you first check out, okay, that video, so you will understand. So you will understand how I did this. So I've given you information, link and everything on that previous video, okay. Then I have my intercom, which is eJazz E6, okay. Then from the back end side, this is how my helmet looks like. This is the brake light and signal, brake signal indicator, which I got from AliExpress. This is also from AliExpress, and intercom is also from AliExpress. This I had got from Amazon. This is a spoiler I got from my kids' RC car, and I loved it, so I put it across in this. So the only addition right now basically is this. So guys, let me now get back to the important topic, which is EL wire installation. How do you install the EL wire on your helmet? Now please note that my helmet is matte black finish. There is a different procedure, okay. I mean, the procedure is going to remain the same, but I'll tell you why it is easy for matte black helmets. Since my helmet is matte black, I was able to take this insulation tape. As you can see, it goes through all the lines where I have installed the EL wire. I took insulation tape, I cut it in half and pasted it all across the lines where I wanted EL wire to be, and then I lined up the EL wire, and as you can see here, a small spot, black one, that's nothing but the Fevikwik, okay. So I put small spots of Fevikwik, not whole area. As you can see, this is still moving. So one thing is, it's easier to remove by doing this, by putting small spots rather than doing the whole thing with the Fevikwik, okay. And this way I can remove it anytime and add anytime. Now you need to understand, if you don't do the wrap or this insulation tape, your helmet will get the Fevikwik stuck on it, and it's difficult. You can't remove it easily without scratching the helmet. If your helmet is a gloss finish, I suggest you do some similar color of wrapping or a black line or something, and then do this. So the funda is, do a wrap or use insulation tape or any tape which is good, which will stick there for a long time, and then line up the EL wire and put Fevikwik spots everywhere you want, okay. Not too many, just few of them, so it sticks to the insulation tape. Now if I have to remove it, all I'm going to do is remove the insulation tape and the entire thing will come out. And these small spots are not going to hurt the EL wire. So if I do it whole, removing it, I'm going to tear it off, I'm going to break it. That's what's going to happen. This is the reason why I did this way. So the simple funda, put insulation tape or wrap your helmet, okay, with a thin line like this, put the EL wire, okay, and then go ahead and use Fevikwik dots to tape, attach this. Always remember, the design aspect is the most important difficult part. So you need to set your design straight. You need to understand where you want it to take. What I did is I just did this, applied sellotape, and I kept the design first and then I did this. So this is the design I chose. Okay, you can have a different design altogether, depends upon what you get. Okay, and there is a third upgrade which is on its way. So don't forget to like this video, give a thumbs up, as well as watch out for my third upgrade which is going to come soon. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope this would help you to understand how I did the EL wire installation on the helmet. Okay, have a nice day ahead, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ride safe.